Hello my monarchs, in this week's video I have a spooky nail set. Continue watching to see how I did them. I have my Beatles Gel Licks kit I got from Amazon. I'll leave the link down below. I'm going to go ahead and grab my nail tips. Alrighty, and now time to file down the tips with my electric nail filer. Now it's time for my actual nails to be filed down. Go ahead and dust off all that residue. I'm grabbing the nail glue. Apply a good amount, not too little or too much, and go ahead and place it onto your nail. Press down firmly so we don't have any bubbles and cure. I'm going to be doing this method to the rest of my nails. If this ever happens, apply more glue and press down firmly once again. Now to cut down the length of my nails, as you can see, I go little by little to see what length I'm feeling is good. Time to apply the nail polish. I'm using Camelot from Sally Hansen. I'm only covering 2/3 of the nail because I'm going to be doing a French tip design. I'm using this white nail polish from LA Colors to do the French tips. I'm also using 406 red color from LA Colors to act out as blood. I'm going to be using this size brush to outline the French tip. to be doing the exact same thing to all of my nails. I'm also using a dotting tool to help with the blood drip. Also designing some fingerprints. Here we have the bloody nail set. Time to apply some top coat onto all nails and of course curing them. Can't forget the cuticle oil. Voila, we got our nail set all done. Let me know in the comments below what else you want me to do, or what other nail kits from Amazon or from somewhere else y'all like me to try out. It would be a pleasure, and like always, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Love y'all. See you next week. Bye.